The cause of suffering is your unquenchable desires, trishna. The cause of dukkha is trishna. Dukkha is because of your ignorance of spiritual science, ignorance of spirituality. Then that ignorance of spirituality will be removed by the great eightfold path. Right meditation. Right meditation is observing the breathing. That is the starting point for our movement. From right meditation, we get into right attention, right concentration, right way of living, right speech. All of them are set right by concentrating on the right meditation. When there are right views, right speech, right desires, right actions, right way of earning your living, right attention, right concentration, all coming from right meditation, there is festivity and festivity and festivity and festivity.